How much longer do we have to keep watch over this tomb? I'm an adventurer, not a Whiterun guard.
I used to be an adventurer like you. Then I took an arrow in the knee.
I know. You've said that 50 times. I'm gonna be stuck here forever.
Have faith, my fellow kinsmen. Remember the teachings of the prophets, that the Son of Man must be handed over and crucified, and resurrect on the third day.
Pfft, yeah, I believe that as much as I believe that you were once an adventurer like me.
No lollygagging.
What? That doesn't even make any sense. We've been lollygagging for the past 3 days. What the heck? Where's that music coming from?
I don't know.
Well, it's starting to get really annoying.
Good job!